Who likes life hacks? Who likes free shit? Who wants a life hack that'll get you some free shit? You might not have to be a detective to figure out that I am a moto vlogger. Hi, Douglas Antonio here. Nice to meet you. I get all my moto vlogging at Best Buy, and for good reason. For an extra few dollars, depending on the item, you can put a replacement plan in place that lasts 2 years, covers anything you could possibly do to it, and a free upgrade. Right now, I have the Insta360 X4. There's a tiny chip on my lens. We're about to go to Best Buy and exchange it for the Insta360 X5. Now, I'll have to pay the difference, plus give them an extra $50 for a new replacement plan on the next item. Small price to pay. If I wanted a free one, I could get a free one. I would just have to exchange it for the same exact item and not put a replacement plan on that. But I'm not going to do that because I want to get another one later when the new one comes out. Don't believe me? Come on, let's go.
All set. Let's go.
Best Buy, here we come. I learned this little hack a long time ago. Normally, I look at warranties and service plans and all that like it's for suckers. And I won't buy it. They're trying to sell you something for a reason. They're not in business to lose money. And usually there's all kinds of hoops you gotta jump through and stipulations. They can preserve the right to screw you over. I figured out what Best Buy is not like. And you're about to find it out right now. They don't give you a hard time. They don't ask you a million questions. They don't tell you they have to send it back to the manufacturer. They don't tell you that you have to send it yourself back to the manufacturer. You walk in, tell them you want to replace it. You swap it out and you go home. You don't even pull your receipt up. I don't know about you, but I'm not going to be able to find a receipt 2 years later. This will be, I think, my 5th replacement. So rewind. October 2021. That's when I bought this here Yamaha YZF R1 from Broward Motorsports. And at the time I had no thoughts of YouTube. But I had been in an accident before that was 100% the other person's fault. Luckily for me, it was obvious to the cop, but the lady tried to lie. And I started thinking, you know, they have these 360-degree cameras. If I get one of those, then I can document everything. If it's my fault, I don't have to show them. But if it's their fault, I have all the evidence and I don't have to worry about somebody trying to blame me after they totaled my bike and probably hurt me. So I went out and bought the Insta360 One X2 from Best Buy, and I was offered the replacement plan. Initially refused, but the guy was cool. He really explained it to me, and he didn't sound like he was full of it. So I took a chance, 50 bucks. I think at the time the camera was $429, so it was worth taking a chance. First time I had to replace it, it was so seamless I couldn't believe it. And they let me put the replacement plan back on the new one. A few months later I had to replace that. So 3 times I think I replaced, yes, 3 times I replaced the X2. And the 4th time I needed to replace it, it was no longer available. And that's when I found out they'll allow you to upgrade. And they don't apply the current price towards the upgrade. They apply the price you paid. So when I went to go trade the X2 for the X4, the X2 was only $299. And I thought that was the price they were going to apply towards the purchase of the X4. But no, they applied the full $429 that I paid for it when it was brand new. And I could not believe that. Oh. I thought you were trying to cross. Anyway. So now it's time to replace the X4. And I am going to go in there and do the same thing that I did when I traded the X2 for the X4. Except this time, I'm going to trade the X4 for the X5. Get up on the sidewalk. I do not like parking in parking lots. People will knock your bike over. People will try to steal your bike. It is not a good look. They usually have a cop sitting outside Best Buy. Today he's not here. So I'm gonna lock her up. There we go. Alrighty, sir. I have this Insta360 X4. I got a little chip on the lens right there. I'd actually like to upgrade to the X5.
Okay, so good. You had a phone number linked with us, right?
Yes.
Douglas?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you're using the DJI, right? The Osmo 5?
Yeah, or the 4. This is the 4 that I have. Yeah, man. I got this here too. That's for the I got a YouTube channel, so that is for the 360 view. I either keep it up here or on my bike, and this is for the first hand view, you know.
Quality is fine.
Oh man, yeah. And it connects with I have the DJI mic too. It connects right to here without the receiver, and it has the really good quality. So, yeah, man.
So you want to upgrade to which one?
The X5. And I want to put the replacement plan on that one too as well. Oh, my memory card is still in there. If you want, just give me an opportunity to pop it out. It's behind the battery, yeah. I think it's in there behind the battery. Yeah, it's right here.
Got it?
Yeah, it's right here.
Just some said that you were getting the replacement or store credit, whatever.
All right. And we'll just hit the green button?
No, yeah. I'm just gonna add the new.
Oh, you can just add it right here?
Yeah.
All right, perfect.
Let me get that for you.
All right, thank you so much. See how easy that was, people? Took back my old broken camera, and they're gonna upgrade it for the brand new top of the line next best thing. And the X5 is gonna get me much better nighttime footage. It has a bigger sensor, which has been the problem with all of these Insta360 cameras. They have a 1/2-inch sensor. I didn't really know what that meant either. But basically, the bigger the sensor, the more light it can take in. The more light it can take in, the better it does in the dark. So the new one has a 1-inch sensor, which is supposed to be a really big deal. So we'll let you know how that works. Obviously, you'll be able to see it for yourself if you're watching. Next stunt ride, that is going to come in handy. How you doing today, man? I'm being helped already. And actually, I got the replacement plan on this too, so I'm thinking about getting the 5. Yeah, man, might as well, man. I love this place for that. You know, it's like you never have to worry about, oh, when the new one comes out, you just get the new one. I started with the X2 and just kept bumping my way up.
Like the warranty, that's it.
Yeah.
And this one is 53, the warranty is 59 for 2 years.
Right.
It's good. It's like upgrade parts, basically.
Ready to go?
That's it, just accept that.
Man, they try to get you for everything here. Donations, credit cards. No. No. Which one skips the pin?
Thanks.
All right. My man, thank you so much. I appreciate your help, man.
Man, that was everything.
All right. Thank you.
Ay, Douglas Antonio.